Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? How is everything? Now look this one. This is the next part of uh, uh, fraction which has different denominators. The previous video was about addition of fraction with different denominators. Now this is subtraction of fraction with different denominators. Now look at this a. So 5 over 8 minus 1 over 4. First, we have to make the denominators same before anything else. Therefore, I check that 8 is a multiple of 4. 4 times 2, I can get 8. So, to make the denominator same, to make this 4 as 8, I multiply this by 2. Look, if I multiply denominator by 2, I must multiply numerator by 2. That means I'm getting an equivalent fraction for 1 over 4. Okay, equivalent fraction is like you multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, now I just bring this 5 over 8 here, and then I will write the new equivalent fraction that I produced to make the denominator same. Now since the denominator is same, I will go for the subtraction. Okay, the operation is subtraction. Now I bring down 8 as it is, and then I just subtract the numerator. I bring it down because they are same. So see, when they are same, if I subtract, this will be 0, and it is invalid. Okay, this is mathematically wrong. You cannot write denominator 0. Therefore 5 minus 2, and then you get 3. 3 over 8 we cannot simplify because there isn't any times table that these two number comes, or that there isn't any number that these two belongs to as the multiples. Okay, now I will go to B part. Now B, we have 12 and 4. I have to make the denominator same. So by checking that 12, whether is it a multiple of 4? Yes, I found it. It's a multiple. So 4 times 3, I can get 12. So to make this 4 as 12, I multiply it by 4. So I multiply it by 4 in the denominator, so that I have to multiply it, the numerator as well, because it's a fraction. I cannot multiply one part of it and then leave the other part. I have to make it equivalent. I have to produce the equivalent fraction. Now I brought that 5 over 12, and then I brought the newly made equivalent fraction. And then since the denominator is same, I subtract. So I got 2 over 8. 2 over 8, they are multiples of 2. 2 is a multiple of 2 because 2 times 1, I get 2. 8 is a multiple of 2 because 2 times 4, I get 8. Okay, in the 2 times table I get both of them. So I cut 2 and write 1, and 8 and write 4. This is the simplified fraction that I will be getting. Okay, let me do C now together. Now this one, I have 2 and 12. I have to make the denominator same. So I have to multiply this by 6 to make the denominator 12, right? If I multiply denominator by 6, I must multiply numerator by 6 too. Now I have 11 over 12 minus 6 over 12. Now I made already the denominator same, so I will write 12 here, and then 11 minus 6 will be 5, and this is the simplified because there is no times table that 5 and 12 comes, because there isn't any number that 5 and 12 belongs that number as a multiple, as multiples. Okay, now here, I mean, the whole point here is to make the denominator same, right? After that it becomes very easy. Now see, 4 times 3. Then you multiply this also by 3, right? Numerator. And then 5 by 2. 5 multiply by 2. Okay, and then this also multiply by 2. And then this multiply by 3. And therefore this has to be multiplied by 3. And this one is a bit different, right? I will explain this more in detail. Let me do H for you. Okay, now see, this is 1 in the place of, okay, this is a whole number. We are subtracting a fraction from a whole number. That's 1 whole. We can say 1 whole, right? Okay, I will write just 1 because 1 over 1 is just 1. If you have 2 here, 2 over 1, you just write on the whole number over 1. Okay, even if it is, any number, even if it is 2, even if it is any number, you just write that number over 1 over 1. Okay, now see, I have a fraction here. Assume that I have a fraction. 1 over 1 is 1. 2 over 1, for example, if you had 2 minus 3 over 10 here, that means you have to write like 2 over 1. Okay, any number, if you have this, just write 1 there. Now let's make the denominator same. To make the denominator same, I must multiply this by 10, right? Then I can get 10 because the denominator is 10. Now I have to multiply the numerator by 10, right? Now equal, the new fraction I got was 10 over 10, right? 10 over 10, isn't it? Ten over 10. That's obvious because 1 over, I had 1 over 1. So if I multiply 10, it will be 10 over 10. Now I have 3 over 10. Never mind, I got the denominator same. And then let me subtract. So this will be 10. And then 10 minus 3 will be how much? 7, right? So 7 is a prime number. So there will not be any times table that this both will come. So this is your answer. In this case, there could be number coming like, there could be numbers which comes such a way that you can simplify. In this case, you have to simplify them, right? I hope you understood this one as well. Very easy, isn't it? Okay.